Hello guys, and welcome to your, Tuesday math problem checkup. So we are looking on our workbook page 267 at problem number 3. And what you should have in your workbook is 457 plus 776. And so we're just going to do a checkup to see how you're doing. And I'm going to work this problem out using two different strategies. You may have a strategy of your own that's working and you're getting the right answers. So feel free to keep doing that if you're getting the right answers. But I'm going to do it by breaking apart, so decomposing the numbers and adding by each place. And then I'm also going to work it out using the U.S. Standard algorithm, or the traditional way. All right, so let's first break it apart into the different places. So we are going to rewrite it up and down. You want to make sure that you line up your numbers. Remember, that is very, very important. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my hundreds. So am I really just adding 4 plus 7? No, that's really 400 plus 700. Okay, so what is 400 plus 700? You should have said 1,100. 1 comma 1 0 0, because 4 plus 7 is 11, and then you have to add the 2 zeros to make it in the hundreds. Okay, so now let's go over to our tens place. We have a 5 and a 7, but is it really 5 plus 7? No, it's really 50 plus 70. But if you know what 5 plus 7 is, that'll help you. You just have to put a 0 on the end. So what is 5 plus 7? 12. But is 50 plus 70 12, or is it 120? 120 is the right answer. So 120. Now we have to go to our last place, which is the ones place. So now we have 7 plus 6. And what does 7 plus 6 equal? 13. Now 13 is one group of 10 and 3 ones. So we have to put that one group of 10 in the tens place and the 3 ones in the ones place. And now we're going to add all that up. And see all of these friendly numbers with the zeros? That makes it so much easier to add. So now we're going to say 0 plus 0 plus 3. We know that is 3. And 0 plus 2 plus 1. That is 3. And 1 plus 1. That is 2. Bring down your comma. And 1 plus nothing. That is 1. The answer is 1,233. Now that's breaking it apart by adding each place. But now let's do the U.S. Standard algorithm, or the traditional or old school way. So I'm going to rewrite this problem again up and down. And again, make sure that you line up your numbers. All right, now we're going to start in the ones place. And that's all the way to the back, because we have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay, so now 7 plus 6. We just did that a while ago, 7 plus 6. And we found that was 13. But can we put 2 digits in one place? No. So if it's 13, a while ago I told you that was really one group of 10 and 3 ones. So do I put the 1 and the 3 right here in the ones place, or do I just put the number that's in the ones? I put just the number that's in the ones, and we said that there are 3 ones. So we put our 3, but what do we do with our group of 10? We have to carry it or regroup it over into the tens place. So we're going to put that one group of 10 over in the tens place. Okay, now is that 1 really just a 1? No, and remember, you're going to have that question on your quiz on Friday. That 1 really just stands for one group of 10, or 10. Okay, so now we have 10 plus 50 plus 70. Now, a while ago, we looked at what 50 plus 70 was, and you told me it was 120. But now we're adding that extra group of 10. So 120 plus 10. Or 1 plus 5 plus 7. and that is 13 or 130. So again, we have all these digits, and we can only put one digit in that place. We're in the tens place, so we've got to put the digit that was in the tens place. So if it's 130, you've got a 1, a 3, and a 0. So which digit are we going to put there in the tens place? Are we going to put the 0 that's in the ones place? Or the 3 that's in the tens place? Or the 1 that's in the hundreds place? We're going to put the 3 that's in the tens place. We're in the tens place, we have to put the digit that's in the tens place. We don't need to do anything about the 0, because 0 plus 3 is still going to give us 3. But remember, it was 130. So where are we going to put that group of 100? We're going to put it right here. We're going to put it over here in the ones place. Or are we going to carry it or regroup it to the hundreds place? We are going to carry it or regroup it into the hundreds place. So we're going to bring it up here. Now, this is important. Does this 1 up above the 4 really stand for a 1, a 10, or 100? If you said 100, then pat yourself on the back. Because that 1 right here above the 4 is not just a 1, it's not a 10, it's not in the tens place, it's in the hundreds place. So that really is one group of 100. So now we have the problem 100 plus 400 plus 700, or 1 plus 4 plus 7. And we know that 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 7 is 12. And we don't have another place to carry it to, so we just bring it all down like this. And we know that we have to put a comma, because if we have more than 3 digits, we have to add a comma. And so we always start in the back and we count up 1, 2, 3, comma. So let's see it. 1, 2, 3, comma. So it goes right there. So now we have a number in the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and now the thousands. And we have the same answer of 1,233. Now, feel free to go back and watch this video as much as you need to if you want to freshen up your skills with breaking it apart, or lining up your numbers, or even trying the U.S. Standard Algorithm way. Okay? All right, I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, on our Zoom. Until then, have a great day.